Alright, so what is up, everybody? It's your boy John, Nerdman22. You're welcome back to another video. So today is Harvest 2022, and it's day 3 of soybean harvest. So anyway, so this is our third field right now that we're on. Let's see here. We did 2 bean fields at my uncle's. We got both of them done. So anyway, yeah, so, anyway, yeah, my grandpa's just coming over there with a tractor. That is not his tractor that he's driving, that is his brother's tractor. And he must have a full load because he's gonna be taking off. So yeah. Anyway, so Harvest 2022, Day 2, Part 2 is still uploading. I don't know when that'll ever come out. It should be coming out sometime, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, he's got a nice load on that wagon. Woo-wee! So yeah, anyway. Yeah, all this nice residue trash. So anyway, yeah. So there he goes. He's gonna take off with the wagon, because that wagon is full. We got 4 wagons out here right now and 4 different 4 tractors. Let's see here. We have we have the 8400 over there with a 544. We have the 7820, which also has a 544 wagon on it. My grandpa has that right now, so you guys don't get to see that in the video. Well, you can see it. You can see him somewhere up there. Sean Beasley just told me not a great combo. But anyway, yeah. Then for another set of tractors, then we actually got 2 more tractors out here. We got a New Holland T7 with a let's see here, with a 644 Brent wagon. It's just a little bit bigger than what Pops has. I'm finding damn rocks everywhere. So anyway, all this fucking bullshit. And then also for the 4th and final tractor that we have a New Holland 8970 tractor with a Brent 640 wagon. So yeah, it's real nice. So yeah, Peyton Peterson just texted and asked me if I was going to the AP game tonight. I don't know if I will or not. I don't know. Probably not. Which I know tonight is the end of AP's homecoming. Yeah. I think both my cousins are going. So yeah, yeah, there really isn't much going on right now. Brian won't be back over the hill for a while. So, yeah. I don't know how long I'll stay out here. I'll probably just stay out here until I get done with this video, and then I'll head home. But yeah, you guys would have seen that 8400 right there in that wagon in Harvest 2022 day 1 and day 2 part 1. So yeah, whatever the heck it takes, you know. But yeah, I drove all the way out here with the Gator, so yeah, I'll be heading back home here pretty soon. Which I have to take the gravel all the way down, and then go straight up. Then I have to go straight up that way, and then back this way, and then I'd be back home again. So anyway, yeah. Well, it sounds like they got the thing back up and going again, for fuck's sake. So yeah, I know, John Deere and New Holland, I know. Not really a great combination, but whatever. The hell with it. So that New Holland combine has a 30-foot bean head on that bitch. Whoa! So yeah, you can see, let's see here, you can see the dust coming, and there comes my grandpa's brother. He's just coming over the hill right now with the combine. The combine we have is a 9570 STS combine. Those STS series combines were made from 2009 to, well, the 70 STS series combines were made from 2009 to 2011 or 12. I don't know. I'm pretty much I'm not any good with my combine information. I'm basically shit at it. I mean, I know all my tractors. Hell, I know all about these damn tractors. And it looks like we're gonna be able to take the pass all in one big swath. You guys can see that. That's all he has left. I think once my grandpa's brother gets done with this pass, I'm gonna head home for a while. Well, I'm gonna head home. So, yeah. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the harvest. The rest of this harvest video. All right. I guess I'll keep talking. I'll keep keep yapping. That New Holland combine way over there is going again. So yeah. I flipped you guys around, I know you guys hate this shit, and you can't see my good looking face, but who gives a shit anyway, right? But anyway, still combining beans here. They're hoping to get done with it tonight. Oh, just one little strip left. Couldn't get it all. Just gonna get that row of shame, or yep, he's gonna go back for it. Yeah, that's what I call one nice John Deere combine right there. But fuck, is it gonna be dirty when we get going again? Yeah, there ain't much. Well, there comes all the trash. There comes all the shit. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, you can see the New Holland over there in the distance, but yeah, there we go. I'll just
I guess I'll flip you guys back around then, I guess.
All right. So that's probably about it. I'm gonna take off. So anyway, yeah. But I guess, but yeah, there's a few beams right there that he didn't get. So yeah. But anyway, I'm just gonna tell you I love doing this shit for you guys. But I guess I'm gonna take off and yeah. I guess I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at JohnDewman22. Hit that notification bell for each and every upload. And I will see you guys all tomorrow. And that is it for today. Yep, that's about it for today. I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow for day 4, hopefully, wherever the hell they're at. But anyway, see you guys later. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. Make sure to hit the notification bell. Do not forget that either. See you guys later. Bye for now.